Today our subject is the maritime law and the topic about the Maritime Labor Convention 2006. Uh, how are you today? Hi, friend. Yeah, I hope you good condition, and we are must be give attention for our health because the condition weather is no good for the today. Okay. Uh, any absent today? Complete, yeah. Okay, thank you. Good, good student, good cadet. Uh, any have the uh, assignment in last meeting? Any homework? No, yeah. You forget? No. Okay. Okay. No, no homework. Uh, Maritime Labor Convention. The first thing I want uh, know what is MLC? Anybody know about this MLC? Yeah, labor convention. Any other idea? Yeah, labor convention is instrument by ILO, instrument by ILO. This not from the IMO, brought from ILO, International Labor Organization. That is mean. And the MLC is the provide a right of seafarer, about right, about the uh, uh, good healthy and etc. Like this. Yeah, this is answer about MLC. MLC is International Labor Convention instrument by ILO. MLC is provide set of comprehensive right and protection for seafarers. The meaning is all the right and all the protection seafarers. This can handle the comprehensive about the life on the her day job and protection for the living on the ship. The achievement, the MLC is the minimum standard working condition. This including us about working hours. How many times the seafarer must be work in the ship? How many times seafarers might be rest? This is the in the MLC about the health, about the safety, about the crew accommodation and seafarer welfare, about the kesejahteraan. And in the important thing is about contractual agreement. This about the MLC. Why the MLC atau ILO concern to the seafarer? The IMO is the I think too late. Is the my faster ILO than IMO to to protect the seafarer. Yeah, because the ILO cover all the all the all the crew or all apa namanya tenaga kerja. But the IMO is agree and endorse about MLC. So the Sekjen IMO is decided the MLC is become to the pillar of the shipping. Before MLC, the pillar quality of shipping only three. About SOLAS, STCW, MARPOL. Then after ILO declare and make convention about MLC, Sekjen IMO decided and the MLC to one of the pillar of the quality of shipping. The SOLAS. SOLAS is thinking about quality of ship, and the ship is make apa layak laut. The make ship is the good condition. STCW is talking about the professional, the seafarer. MARPOL is talking about the green maritime ecosystem. Then ILO talking about not about the seafarer, but nothing no professionalism. He is the talking about the protection for seafarers. Why? Because it's the problem, a long time problem, so far problem. Since the ship is built, you know when the Titanic built up, 1912. Yeah. In 1912, Titanic built and have crew. And this have the problem about the crew. What the problem? Overload working, no pay, or pay in the last week. Minimum wage, not enough for their family. Then the quality of shipping now also depend the how the company the attention for the healthy, about the safety, about the welfare the seafarer. So for pillar quality of shipping is SOLAS, STCW, MARPOL, MLC. Okay? You must take this one. You must remember. Don't forget, huh? Don't forget. Okay? Any question?
Yeah, I have one question, sir.
Yeah.
Has the MLC 2006 protected the rights seafarer,
Yeah.
Indonesian seafarer while on board?
Yeah. This is the process because the ILO or IMO or United Nations is not the powerful. He's not instrument to implement it. For implemented the regulation, for implemented the international regulation is not need instrument, especially is national, especially is country, because for the implemented, he must be the law in the country. Yeah. After 26 ILO mengundang ya, make convention to the all, and then all country, 24 country is the agree to implement this one, and Indonesia implemented the regulation is the 2016 with the Mr. Jokowi or Presiden, the mengesahkan or make a ratification in Indonesia law, and then can implement it. Okay. Any else? Enak ya. How know when the SOLAS declared by IMO? Indira?
Yang kaget.
Okay, this homework we continue. Okay, this about Indonesian regulation, about the Indonesian ratification with the Undang-Undang number 15 2016, Mr. Jokowi or President, the last President is the ratification MLC. This meaning all ship in build in Indonesia or other ship come to Indonesia must be adopt or must implemented the MLC.
So that means they're talking about the salary for seafarer?
Yeah. Because it's already undang-undang. The undang-undang mean the can give the penalty, can give the sanction. Our country is powerful. Our country have police, have the judge. Then this PM 58 2021 is labor convention is the instruction, technical instruction. Our Menteri, the Transportation Ministry is make the technical instruction for the implemented MLC. This very rigid. This very clear. How many bedroom in the ship? How the accommodation for seafarer? Okay, we continue. This seafarer under MLC. In under MLC, seafarer is the safe and secure workplace, the comply with the safety standard. The MLC ensure that all seafarers have space and secure when they work on the ship. What the standard? Yes, make the SOLAS. Ship must be standard SOLAS. Then etc. etc. Under MLC, seafarer fire term employment is make fire. Before we go to ship, must be make agreement. How much the salary, how time he must work in the ship, like this. This fire. No force for seafarer. In the reg MLC, seafarer decent working and living condition on board. Decent working must be the suitable, the good working, good living condition. Good living, good food. Is provided, give only tempe for the seafarer. Must be good standard, good gizi. Yeah. No, and apa rata-rata ya, average $10 for food a day. I think is enough. Health protection, medical care, welfare measure, then order from of the social. Is Indah? You still me? You can apa? You can explain about order from social? What the meaning? Yeah, insurance, association, to group unity, watching TV, make status. Yes, the order of social. Yeah, yeah. If you in the apa namanya passenger ship, if any market. Okay. This article 3 MLC, this ensure seafarer must be freedom of association. Is free. Is elimination force the labor. No bully in the ship. Is elimination of child labor. Forbidden. The apa namanya give working to the child. The child is measured is about 17. Elimination of discrimination. All we is the same. No black, no white. No Madura, no Jawa. It's all same. This Wahyu ya is answer for your question before. How implemented MLC with the national law regulation? if the MLC, if the international regulation is was the ratification is can implemented. Government can make the enforce. Like solar. Solar also ratification. SDCW also ratification. Marpol also ratification. Yeah. Singapore, Filipina is already ratification MLC before Indonesia. Through applicable collective bargaining agreement. Yeah. So if you want joint receive, you must make agreement. You read your agreement. Yeah, Mr. Andi, if you join to ship, you must make agreement. You read your agreement. How many your salary? If cheaper, if you know one, you talking to company. I not one this working. How many you must working on the ship? How much your bonus? Yeah, you must talking. Yeah. So if you sign done, you must commitment with your agreement. Yeah. Drop the order measure. Then important thing is practice this one. Who make practice? Your government or country, company, and also shipper. How this is answer question for Mr. Wahyu. Okay? Any question? For effective enforcement and compliance of requirement to convention, Maritime Labor Convention Declaration Maritime Complaint will issue by the flag state. What the meaning flag state? The flag state is Mr. Jay. The flag state is the ship is registration in the country. If the ship build and registration in Jakarta, this make a ship the flag state in Indonesia, Jakarta. You know. The certificate declaration will be prima facie and in specific situation, their inspection and the event detention ship warrant for the correct condition and shipway be warrant. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's all. Thank you very much for your attention and happy weekend.